that is Accurate Computer Hub. In this channel we learn about the Java programming. So from today onwards we will learn about Java programming. Okay. Before today we are just learning about the grammatical form of Java, that what are the operators, what are the things we are using in our programming. So from today onwards in all videos we will learn that how we can make program in Java and what are the implements of the Java programming practically. Okay. So for starting the programming we are starting the first topic, that is comments. Comments is the first thing you have to write in your Java program, but this is not compulsory, this is optional. Comments is optional and it is used for documenting purpose. Comments is used for documenting purpose. Now what is documenting purpose? Documenting purpose means, for example, if you are writing one program for addition, then it is a simple program. Anyone can see the logic that a plus b you are using for addition. But if you are making one bigger project in Java, then there is the things you have to define. Like I have used int a. Now what is the use of this variable? For that we are using comment. Comment is used only for the source window. Source window. You know there are two types of window. Source window where you write the program, and one is terminal window where your answers come. Here the output will overcome and here you have to write your Java program. So comments is only for the source window. Now there are mainly three types of comment. Comments are mainly of three types: single line comment, single line comment, second is multi-line comment, multi-line comment, and third one is documenting comments. These three type of comments are we have to learn. First is single line comment, second is multi-line comment, and third is documenting comment. Single line comment is denoted by double slash, multi-line comments is denoted by slash and star, it is a starting point, and star and slash, it is the ending point. And for documenting comments, it is starting from slash, star and star and ends with star and slash. This is the denoting sign of single line comment, multi-line comment and documenting comment. So these are the three types of comments: single line, multi-line, documenting comment. Now how we can use these comment? So if you want to make one single line as a comment, then you have to use this. For example, if I am writing this is Java program, this is only the single line, then we have to use double slash as a comments. Okay, because if you are writing just this is Java program without system.out.println, then this will give you error. But if you are writing double slash before that, this means this is the comments, and this will show only in the source window. This will not show in the terminal window. Same as if you want to make comment, multiple line comment, like here, here, here. These are the statements you have written in BlueJ. Now you want to make all these statements comment, then you have to use multi-line comment. Multi-line comment start with slash star, and at the end of comments you have to write star and slash. Now this all will show only in the source window, not on the terminal window. Same as documenting comment, if there are documents like 1 page or 3 page, then you have to use documenting comment. Let me implement this comment topic practically, then you can understand well. So students, now we learn about the comments. For learning comments practically, we go to BlueJ icon and you have to just right click on that. Then you have to click on open. After clicking on open, this window will open. Now you have to click on project option. Here the option is given new project. You have to click on new project. Then here in the name of project you can write anything. I am just writing 9, 10 and 11 and just enter. When you click on enter, then this window open. You have to click on new class and just create one class. You can write anything in the place of class name. I have just written comments. Just double click on this icon, then this window will open. Control A and delete. Now here one clear window is open. Now you have to just write your program. So for writing the program we have to start from public, then class, then you have to write class name comments. Then you have to open one curly bracket. Again you have to write main method, public, class, static, void, main. Then again we have to open one curly bracket. Now we have to show the message system.out.println and I'm just giving the message in double quotes, that is this is the example of single line comment. You have to write in the double quotes because any message, if we are writing in single system.out.println, then you have to write in double quotes. I am just doing copy of this statement. Just copy this statement and paste it. Now close the two curly brackets. Just compile. When program compiled, class compiled, no syntax error, you have to just close the window and right click on this class name, void main, and OK. Now this is the terminal window. The 4 answer is printed. This is the example of single line, Again close this window and go to your source window. This is called source window. Now we are applying the comments. Look here, I am first applying the comment, single line comments. The sign of single line comment is double slash. If we have applied double slash before the statement, then this statement will not show in the terminal window. I have compiled the program. Then when we run the program, only 3 messages are printed. The commented message is not printed, okay, because we have applied single line comment before that. If we are applying the multi-line comment, then symbol of that slash and star, and we close it with the star and slash. Now only the single statement will be printed because we have applied the multi-line comments. Compiled, and run. Look here, only one message is printed. So this is called multi-line comment. And same as for the documenting comment. For the documenting comment, you have to put double star here, and we have to close only with the single star and slash. When we right click on it, run, the same answer will be printed, only one output. This is all about the comments. Thank you.